Hello, myself Vaishali Salgar. My domain is image processing and my topic name is image classification. All of we know that one picture is worth more than 10,000 words. So, the images are very important nowadays. A digital image is a representation of a two-dimensional image as a finite set of digital values. So, the collection of these digital values is called as a picture elements or pixels. So the image is represented as a two-dimensional function which is represented as f of xy. F indicates the intensity or a gray level and x and y indicates the position, or it is called as a spatial coordinate of that particular position. So f of xy, in that I indicates rows, j is column, and the size or the spatial resolution is number of rows and columns. L indicates the intensity levels and B indicate number of bits represent each pixel in that image. So basically each pixel values typically represents a gray level, color, height, opacity, all these parameters. So the image is stored as 1 pixel per point, or it is also called as a black and white or a grayscale image. 3 pixels or 3 samples per point, that is RGB, that is red, green and blue color image. So basically images are classified into 4 categories: black and white image, grayscale image, colored image and half-tone image. So by looking at the image, user will be able to classify that image. So this is an example of a black and white image which is used 2 levels or 1 bit per pixel to represent that image. This is grayscale image, gray level image, half-tone image, and this is the colored image. So for storing that particular image, the size is going to be calculated by the resolution. That is, if my image is of size 1024 by 1024 and it uses 1 bit per pixel, so it is number of rows multiplied by number of columns into number of bits per pixel. So for this particular image, it uses or it requires 1 megabyte of a memory for storage. Thank you.